It's your boy Ghoulish Gamer, and I haven't posted a video in 3 years, but today I decided to post a cooking video. The last video was bugging out, so I had to stop recording and change videos. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and comment what other videos would you want me to play. I hope my PC can run it because I don't have the best high-end PC. I've been reminded by YouTube to continue posting, and that's what I'm trying to get into at the moment. I don't have a camera. This one on the computer is broken, so the computer is literally half dead for it. So I'm just using it to the best of my abilities, and I love you guys so much, and let's get into today's video. So I don't know what I'm doing because this is the first time I'm playing this. This is the first time I'm playing this game, so I'm just gonna do something. So let me go over to this corner. Let me see if there's a recipe. So alright. So I don't see any recipes. So you know what I'm gonna do? If you don't know me in real life, I love to... What? I cooked up nothing. What does that even mean? The hell? I didn't even do anything. I was too angry and annoyed to cook. I hope you're ready for nothing. That's me when I'm at home. Alright, flour. What is this? Where can I find the salt in this kitchen? So flour, egg, sugar. Is that sugar? Sugar. I need more sugar. Milk, flour, egg, sugar. No, I don't know. Boil. Monster cocktail? Wait. This game is giving me the vibes that my kids bought this home after a weekend at their dad's place. It was really good, I said. And we all know you're lying to your kids. This kitchen is full of foolishness. Okay, let's just make some oats. I love oats, so let's just... Oh! That's raw! What? Granel? Is it pronounced granel? What is that? That's a recipe? What is that? Saw this recipe on YouTube and had to give it a try. I love that I can customize it however I want, and it goes perfectly with some Greek yogurt in the yes, there's such thing as Greek yogurt. I was just gonna make some regular oats, like oats with milk. What? Alright. What's that? Porridge! That's how you make porridge? That's not how I make porridge. Not my favorite, but does the job when I'm feeling sick. I would never eat that. No offense to anybody who does, but I would never eat something like that. Especially this. That's not how I make porridge. Ooh. La dee 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 dee. La da 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 da. So why is there only... What's this? Is this mushroom or something? Well, that's a whole sausage, eggs, cheese, salt. Can I throw the salt in? The whole container. Bread. Let's make something mysterious again. Saltness. What? Some of these food are don't they're not even real. How am I even making these foods? Salt mist. Someone doesn't. What? Someone didn't fully close the salt. Wait. So let's just backtrack and go back to the eggs and one egg, one whole thing of cheese, and a whole thing of sausage, and close the lid. What does that make? Egg mist. That's even nasty. Alright, let's just boil this alone. Let's just see what it makes. Boiled sausage, salmonella, salami rose. What's that? Alright. I'm not the best person. I'm not gonna say. Alright, let's see what this is. Egg mess is. You can't just put an egg on top of something and call it a meal. Well, actually, Chinese do that all the time. No offense to the Chinese people, but they normally put egg on top of everything and they call it a meal. So kudos to the Chinese. But hell, what am I gonna make? Broke the egg. Power egg. Did I try this before? Butter. What is in this jar? Alright. Dear Governor, you are just too good. I wonder if it's 3 sugar cubes. Or is it just gonna go back? Oh my. What is that gonna make? How the hell do you make pancake but like that? That's not how we make pancakes. Everybody makes things differently anyways, so... Wait, can I move these liquors? Everything in this kitchen is weird. They're going there... Wait. Also, it's chalk. Alright. How in the hell do I make any of these? It's called flour mist. I don't want to make that flour mist. Alright. So, some people like flowers, but if you bring me food that looks like flowers, take me. I'm yours. What? I want to make a cup of tea. How do I even make? How do I even begin with making a cup of joe? Let's just drop this in a pot. And let's just magically say it comes out as hot milk. How is this even possible? Let's just throw this in. And what else? Banana. Just call it banana smoothie. With 3 ice cubes. Not ice cubes, with 3 sugar cubes. Wait, what? Over the rainbow, over the rainbow. I can't take any more out. Just, what is it going to form? Banana milk. Ooh, that's actually great because banana milk is made like that. But let's drop a bread and a butter in the pot. And let's call that toast. I knew it was going to come out as toast. Alright, here we're going to put banana in the pot and bread. Let's see what that makes, because I don't understand the physical capability of this thing. Let's just call it banana bread. That's what I literally made, banana bread. And how, you know what that looks like? Meatloaf. What else could, wait, can can the flowers be actually taken down? Huh. I thought this. Wait, what? I was able to take this all along. Blueberries and bananas. One banana and milk. Add milk. It's hard to believe any of this makes sense. Milkshake? Smoothie. Wow, the logic in any of this. I wonder if I can make an egg smoothie. What would an egg on milk make? Shit. It's gonna reload, so anyways. Let's see what this nastiness is going to be. Oh, I forgot what it was. Let's see what. Let's try dropping a piece of cheese and that in. Let's call it. Oh, it's gonna still be Monster cocktail. So let's drop milk and flour in the pot with some oats. Let's see what monstrosity that makes. Wow, that's actually wow, that looks disgusting. Okay, stop playing around. Let's drop all of that in. Let's just drop everything that. Alright, so flour. Give me the egg. I want to make a breakfast. I want to make something that is breakfast. Like, an egg miss. It's called an egg miss. Let's just drop this in the pot. If it's an egg miss again, I swear to God, I want to scream. Ah, Joe. Let's just put cheese and this inside. What is this? How do you pronounce this? Is it pronounced charcuterie board? Whatever it's pronounced as, but that's nice. Jeez. Oh Lord. So what am I going to make? Let's put. I wonder if this is. Right as I was going to put the bread in, it fell. I wonder if this is going to make a sandwich. Please make a sandwich. Please. It's an egg mess. Yes. A bland sandwich. So what if it was just bread and egg? Would it be a plain sandwich? I really like making sandwich. Oh, it's still a bland sandwich. Shit. What about the bread with just the cheese? Would it be a cheese sandwich? Or still a bland sandwich? Or it's just a bland sandwich? I want to try something that I haven't. Let's put this. Shit. I brought that. With cheese. And let's see what butter, flour, and cheese make. I hope it's not a mess. Food monster. Some of these things are nasty. Alright. Let's just drop a cheese in the pot. Let's get soggy cheese. Fondue. Really? Fondue? Alright, so I've made a charcuterie board. I did not pronounce that right, and I think that's going to come back to bite me. Alright, I love a good surprise, especially when it's paired. When it's paired with a famous board. I think I'm dyslexic. Let's stop reading, because how the hell is that famous and not fancy? I'm not gonna even read through any more of these. If you and someone ever bought bananas and know you have too much and they are becoming very brown, banana milk is great for you. Actually before I started this video, I actually did make some, well, banana is inside of it, um, melon is inside of it, grape is inside of it, and actually it tastes nice. I still have a little bit in front of me, and I'm afraid to finish it. This is my famous smoothie. I won first place because of this smoothie. When I was in school, I had. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a seed from the banana. I didn't know that banana had seeds one time. I always thought that banana was getting brown, by the way, and I was literally like, I'm not going to let the banana get too brown before I start using it. So when the banana gets brown, the seeds like start to show more and all of that. But anyways, I'm not going to get into banana physics. Let's go back to making some random foods that I don't even think make sense. So how did I get the pancake? Alright, so I added flour, sugar. No, what did I add in this? I want to make this banana pancake. We literally know what's in a banana pancake. So let's make it. Flour, egg, milk, butter, and a banana. And we know what's in a banana pancake. A banana pancake. Alright, so again, let's try flour, egg, butter, milk, and blueberries. Let the pot start. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Blueberry pancake. Alright. So actually, what is this? Guys, I'm just gonna get some help. I'm going to find out what this is. I don't really know what a quincy, if that's how it's pronounced, a quincy. But that looks weird. I still can't find. Hold on. I was reading a message. Quich. Quincy? I found it. Wait, is this cheese? Quincy is I don't know if I'm correcting saying this right. It's like a tart or something like that. But it's literally like, alright, I'm going to find out how to make it so I can make it in the game. So let's try this recipe. So let's try cheese. It's like a tart. Cheese. Wait, let's find the recipe. I don't want to make the tart very bad because it's like a tart. So it's literally cheese and what else? Come on, I don't need to over how to make it. Alright, yeah. So I need like eggs, milk. Wait, what am I even making? Wait, and I think I need this. I hope that's the right thing because it's on the internet, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be right. You. Alright, let's go again. Let's try eggs, milk, cheese, meat, and flour. I don't think I can make this thing. Wait, hold on. Let me try something. put back. Alright, so cheese, this, and maybe that's it. No, that's going to make the charcuterie board. Alright, cheese. Girl, get back here. That and that. Let's see if it's going to make. It's an egg mince. I hate. Oh my god. Nothing. What if I? Alright, I'm not gonna try to find out how these are made. I'm just gonna let's see what this makes. It's really nasty. Monster milk. Okay guys, anyway, that's it for today. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find all of these recipes unless I'm not. Wait. What's this? What's G? Let me find out what that is. That looks interesting. What? This is butter? Wait. Wait, this is just butter, right? Because that's what I'm seeing. So wait, if I drop this in the pot, I'm getting it? Yay! It is! It's butter! Wait, what is this? Blueberry jam. How do you make blueberry jam? I think the way how you make blueberry jam is blueberry. Let's just find a tutorial on how to make some of these stuff. I'm just literally gonna make one more and then that's it. Blueberry jam. Don't mind the sound in the background. Not that. I'm actually trying to find out how to make blueberry jam.
For every 500 grams of fruit, 100 grams of sugar. And get your hands in there. Don't be afraid to push them up a bit.
Wait, I'm gonna need sugar? Wait, sugar? Every time I try to get this sugar, it's freaking, it's not working. The sugar is so hard to get. It's just like a teensy tiny hand taking out sugars. And when is it gonna stop taking out sugars? I wanna know when it's gonna show up on the board that I have enough sugar in it. Because every time I use this recipe and every time I use the sugar, I don't see it showing up. So how many sugar do I need to prove that? Alright, let's just think that's enough.
This is called masticating. Cover with a clean
I don't know what that
towel
is.
and just let it hang out for a few hours. 3 hours later, into a pot. Heat on high, apple cider vinegar, and start cooking. It'll probably take about 2 hours. 2 hours later, and we're looking good. And at this point, you can flavour your jam with other things. I'm going to use some fennel pulp. And at this point, you've got to be super careful. This stuff is like lava. If it gets on your skin, you will know about it. And there you go, 10 minutes later, this is what we're looking for. Nice and thick. Sterilise your jars, and lids in boiling water. Carefully fill your jam jars, and pop on. This is called...
If I don't get jam from this, I swear. Okay. Now that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm done for the day and I'll retire and I'll make some more videos tomorrow. I love you guys so much and I'm sorry I can't make a lot more, but this chef is out, so I love you guys. Anyways, remember to subscribe and like and leave a comment under each video and I'll be posting tomorrow. And if that's all for today, I'll see you on another day. Bye!